Well, good morning, fam. It's been a very eventful morning. We are here at the Rat House. Today, hopefully, I'll be able to replace some windows, and we're just gonna like pull out some nails on the floor with Mom and Ka. Because Peyton's at school taking a quiz on print reading, and yeah, that's today. We're trying to get stuff done during the week so that we can go maybe camping this weekend. We'll see. But that's what today's gonna look like. Should be fun. So if you take a look right here, you'll see a new window because he took out the old one. And I'm upset about it because this is the one that fits perfectly. And I wanted to do it. So thanks a lot, Jason. But it's fine. Let's go. These are old windows. They're 28 by 53, both of them. And we have those over here, new windows. So, well, actually the new windows are 28 by 50. So we're gonna have to put 3 inches down here. Just like the other one over there that Peyton and I did. So, yeah, that should be fun. I think, yeah, we're gonna do that now. Mikayla is pulling nails from the floor. Mom is putting vinegar on the floor. And I'm pulling this window out.
I'm washing it. Don't judge me. God. This window has been such a pain. Hey. Just gonna throw her finger. Just put a happy face on it. We're all so happy. You're running out of cojones, aren't you?
I'm so tired.
This is like janky. It's supposed to be. Now there's extra.
What the hell is that from?
Hey, I don't know. Oh, hey.
Oh, I'm cutting this out. It's okay.
I'm so ready to be done with this. Am I done? Yeah. Who knew I was a wood whittler? My hair.
Your hair looks like that woman in Mamma Mia.
Amazing.
You're really giving Cinderella.
Yeah. I know. I'm talking to my fans, Kayla. Don't hate. You guys, listen.
Till the day I die, I'm here.
I know. Okay. Why? I thought you're done.
Is this?
Yeah, that's it. That's a tiny hole for that big swirl. That's
Hey guys, so this is like a really quick clip. It's the next day from the last part you saw. Peyton and I just installed this second window. We're so slay. Yep, took a lot of trimming again, just like this one, but that's it. And we are tired and hungry and we want to go home, so that's what we're doing now.